Hey, what's good, y'all? I was literally just about to do a POV drive on the Mustang, and of course, the battery died. Now we're about to jump it with the vet. It's kind of a flex. Dang, there we go. Sheesh. This thing was dead. Damn. What y'all think? All right, guys, just ignore the Christmas tree for now, but yeah, we're about to go take this thing out. Y'all hear it. Get lots of whooshy noises. Some nice shifting for you guys. We'll get some pulls, of course. I know you guys wouldn't want me to drive this bitch like a pussy, so. You guys are probably gonna see my head on a swivel just because the cops in Mexico, sometimes they be tripping. And obviously this car is not the stockiest one. Do you guys want to see one like this with a vet? Because I can do one, but obviously it's stock. So I don't know if you guys would want to see some stock like that. Obviously it's a little better. Or we could just wait till it's fast. Because I will make it fast, guys, I promise. And these roads are kind of trash. What's up, bro? Man, this shit sounds nice. Yes, sir. Yeah, I might give him a low roll. Damn. Oh, he's already on. That fool gets out. I ain't doing no dig. We would have ended up in that wall. I was gonna do one super long video where I just yap to you guys, but that might get boring. Or do you guys really sit down and watch POV drives? Like, yo, I gotta see what this thing sounds like? Or is it more like you kind of like vibing out, it's just kind of playing in the background, you just hear, psh, this is like your water noises, you know what I mean? Your waterfall noises going to sleep, the pitter patter of the procharged. This thing sounds like it's gonna eat today, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, dang. She's trying to eat tonight. I haven't done a POV drive in years, plural, years. So it is kind of nice to just come out here and yap to you guys. It's crazy the looks you get at this thing. People just be looking scared. I'd be feeling bad. Even some guests I've had, they're like, yeah, this thing sounds scary. Like if I was on the outside, I'd probably just be spooked. Bro, if you hear the way that this thing echoes off the wall, I hope this is doing justice, because this thing sounds crazy. All right, guys, we're about to go do some rips now in Mexico. Oh, shit. Ooh, highway patrol. Yeah, I was supposed to be turning, but oh my gosh. I'll probably turn with him. Fuck that. Oh, here's one coming the other way. Nothing to see here, officer. Nothing to see here, officer. Yeah, we good, I think.
Hey!
Yo!
I like that bitch.
Hey, I appreciate you, dog. That motherfucker clean too, dog. I remember when I first moved out here, bro, like going down here just felt so unreal. Now we just terrorize the city like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. Honestly, this is kind of crazy. I feel like I'm talking to a chat. Like now I've done like some of the streaming stuff with my friend, but I don't even see a chat pop up. So I'm just kind of imagining what y'all would be saying. I feel like, honestly, to be like a streamer, YouTuber, you really gotta be like low-key like schizophrenic. Like you gotta pretend like you're talking to somebody for real. I don't even remember where I'm supposed to turn, guys. I'm just going off memory. Hopefully I got it. Of course it was the next one. I knew it was the next one. Honestly, guys, I just want to do like a quick little life lesson. You guys gotta always trust your gut. Like, if your gut is telling you to do something, always do it. Like, that's the authentic voice of God. Like, it's pretty much, it's like a cheat code, bro. If you really can channel it and like, dang. Yeah, I gotta chill, bro. My heart just dropped right there. Boat flew around that corner. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, you guys gotta listen to your gut. Like, that's literally like pretty much like a cheat code, an authentic voice of God telling you like, yo, do this, don't do this. If you want to leave like a party early and you don't know why, just do it. Like, bro, like I've had that feeling, and then boom, somebody got shot. So it's not like that stuff's no joke. Like, it's happened too many times to be like, oh yeah, it happened by coincidence. Like, no, bro. If you have that gut feeling, you gotta follow it. Oh my gosh, going under that little overpass, that thing sounds crazy. People got road rage out here, guys. All right, once we get a nice little straight, we're gonna smash this thing. Oh yeah, that shit's moving today. I spun it all through second, but when you hook third, holy shit. Oh shit, that bitch caught me off guard. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Uh-oh. Something doesn't sound good. Something's fluttering down there. Holy shit. That's not good. Oh shit. And now I'm pulling over, all I see is fucking cops. This is not good. This is the last thing I want to fucking see, bro. I'll start going back towards the other way. I'll just at least get back on, but then I'm gonna get off and then get back on again. That scared the shit out of me though. You think I'm good? Did you guys hear that? I know you guys had to heard that shit. That shit sounded crazy. What the fuck? I'm kind of stressed. I just took a fat ass deep breath. I mean, it's driving fine. I mean, I can at least probably get home. I'm not doing any more pulls. Hey, at least I got the pulls in for you guys. Oh my gosh. All the POVers, if you guys are still here, like, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Why are you guys not already liked and commented and subscribed? If you have, then W, join the Discord. Oh yeah, we just made a Discord too, so if you guys want to ask me any more deeper questions about this or just about me in general, or you guys just want to chat or build a community, like, I appreciate all the love. You guys have been going crazy. Like, or you just want to be around other car enthusiasts. Like, there's just so many benefits to being in the Discord. It's free. It's not, I'm not asking anything, you know? It's definitely cool interacting with y'all though, because it's one thing in comments, like, I'll meet you guys occasionally, but like being able to talk to you guys like for real is definitely dope. Appreciate everybody who's in the Discord right now. Appreciate Torin for telling me to make it. If you're actually watching and you heard me say that, thank you Torin for watching this. You know, all the love, like, bro, I'm telling you, this, it's unreal, and I appreciate you guys so much. But the only time I've really heard something like that is like when my there's a plastic bag over my intake. Maybe something flew in there or something like that. We'll see. Of course, another Mustang want to fly by now. Of course. I would have done it for y'all. Don't tell me this is a Hellcat. Gang, are you serious?
Dang, this whole time the car's been running great. Why do you want to pull it now? Oh my gosh. See, that's how it works, bro. That is how it works. Ew. Wow. I should have blown his doors off just for that.
I mean, I know. Bruh. See. good. See, that shit always happens. The second the car broke, motherfucker, swing that shit. Let me, what does it do? Yeah. Hell yeah. Hey, tag me in the video. Nah, something's definitely a little bit off. Holy shit, I see cops over there. Way back there. Oh, no, I'm getting off. That shit better not be for me, gang. Alright guys, we're about to see right now what the heck that was. No, I mean, everything looks good. Maybe that's really how it sounds. I just never heard it do that. Let's see on the inside. Oh, looks like it's scraping on the outside. Just a little bit. Something. I don't know. Maybe something got it. Because look, you see how it's scraping on the outside right there? I think something got inside. Hopefully it's nothing like big or anything. Gotta be careful. That's what I get for running no intake. Stuff like that happens. But yeah guys, I guess we'll let it cool down, but shoot, at least everything's running good. But yeah guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Holy shit. Bro, I forgot to put on my regular plate. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. There's no way, there's no way, there's no way. Holy shit, holy shit. Bro, I know my parachute flew. Where the fuck is my parachute at? It flew off. I didn't put it on. I did take it off. I just didn't put my regular plate on. Holy shit, guys. My old plate was, oh my gosh, holy shit, holy shit. I thought this bitch flew off, bro. I gotta go get my plate. I gotta go get it.
I never had the time to make a way. I only had the time to make a play. I had to learn nobody saving me. If you gon'